What's up, everybody? Here is a tour of my house. Oh, wait, no, it's not a ditch. There it is. So yes, as most of you know, I've moved into a new house recently, and being that it is Christmas Eve, I wanted to put out a video. I knew not many people were gonna watch it, so I decided to do it and just waste it on this. Here are my children, the one of which doesn't want to be filmed, and then here's Claire. So let's go ahead and check out the house. I'll do a little bit of an office tour. I'll show you what I'm building in my basement. Very exciting stuff. I had to play lumberjack and cut this thing up because 3 days after we moved in, of course, it just had to fall after like 30 years. And here's the backyard. Exciting stuff. It goes back 6 acres. It goes all the way down. There's a garden in the back with irrigation. We don't know how to garden, but apparently, you know, we're gonna have to learn how to do that. Although there's a strong chance we may just let it go. No, we better not. Anyhow, there's about 2 acres of which in the front that I have to mow. So I'm gonna be on a tractor probably, I don't know, 3 hours each time. Gary the coder / farmer. Here's the messy garage. Yes, we got wood. We have carpentry things happening here. Oh my God, look at this beast. I was so excited when I got this. A miter saw, DeWalt table saw. What am I building? Look at all of that wood. Well, I'll show you in a little bit. Kitchen, oh my God. And as you can see, it's like really messy. I was too lazy to clean my house before showing it to potentially hundreds of thousands of people. Yeah, a lot bigger than what we were coming from. Oh, there's Chase. There's Lily. We have a lot of animals in our house. There's the Christmas tree that fell twice. It's way too big. It was kind of like Clark Griswold of Christmas Vacation. Yeah, it fell twice. It hit me. Kids were crying and everything. Yeah, we really love this room. Check out this view from my recliner. Look at that. Bedroom. Oh wait, animal room for the kids. Let's turn this on. Look at this mess. What are you guys doing? Huh? Clean it up. Anyhow, what's happening here? Hamster. 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 Bunny. Where's the bunny at? Get out of there. Okay. Oh my God, look at that. Yeah, unfortunately, what was it, 2 weeks ago? One escaped. Wait, no, it didn't escape. A cat got on top, got in, and then killed it. Yeah. So we got better tops now. Bathroom. This bathroom, we freaking love. It is huge. Bathtub. Kind of like dirty in there a little bit because it's well, but you know, what are you gonna do? Still freaking awesome. Love it. Oh, and the kids. This is the kids' sinks. Who would give the kids their own sinks in like the best bathroom? Well, we do because we're pushovers. Boxes for moving. And here's the studio. Look at that cable management. Are you guys impressed or what? See, I had the intention of using cable management, as you can see there, but you know, it never actually happened. Oh, and there's Beardy. He's just hanging out. So this is what it looks like. Get this chair out of here. When I'm sitting behind a computer and you guys are watching me film. Let's turn on this big beastly light. It has a remote. The light has a remote. Oh my God. Look at that. That is like way too big, by the way, the canopy thing that I got. I think that's called a canopy. Way too big. But nonetheless, it works and it lights me up. And it does the job. Let's go down into the basement. All right, so what is that monster right there? Well, let's see if you can guess. What do you think this is going to be? This thing that I am building. It has a drain. The drain leads through this PVC pipe, through the wall, into here. So there's gonna be water. Let me give you a clue. Oh my, could be something to do with what's in here or down there. Yes, that's right, a massive reticulated python enclosure, 15 feet by 6.5 feet, and it's gonna be 7 feet tall, raised up by 2 feet. And that will be a waterfall feature. It is going to be insane, and it's really what's been consuming my life recently. I've been having a lot of fun, a lot of swearing and frustrations as well, trying just to learn how to build stuff because I've never worked with wood pretty much in my life before, but it's come along pretty good. So I will definitely be doing a video once I get this completed, which might be in about 2 months or so. All right, so let's get out a snake here. Oh, I see her head. She gets a little bit feisty when you try to get her, ooh, out. Oh yeah, there she is. Here, hold that. I'm gonna go ahead and get my little snake hook just to let her know she's not getting fed or anything. This is a female Burmese python. She's about 7 months old. Oh, she's hissing. You hear her? And she's a little bit over 4 feet, but they can get up to 20 plus feet, but likely the average is probably around 12, 13, 14 feet. Here, hold this, Claire. I'm gonna go ahead and grab her and see if she'll, oh my God. All right, so we got her out already, but the camera, or the phone camera for some reason wasn't recording. And now she's extra pissed off because she doesn't wanna come back out, I don't think. If I get close and try to like hold her, she's gonna get real mad, I think. You'll hear her hiss a little bit. Get up a little bit closer now. See if we can get her out. She's wrapped around this log thing over here. So, ugh! You can hear that hiss. Maybe, I'm wondering. Here we go. There we go. Let's get you out again. There we go. No big deal. Okay, let's get in the light so we can actually see. So this is a Burmese python, a hypo, which gives her basically the pattern and the coloration. She's 4 feet long or so. She's only 7 months old, but she will get up to, what, about 12, 13, 14, 15. Sometimes they get up to 20 feet, although that's rare. Claire, go ahead and hold her. You wanna hold her? She's wrapped around my arm right now. Let's see if I can get her around your neck. And these aren't venomous, they're constrictors. I know I'm putting them around my kid's neck, although at 4 feet, she's really not a threat. But once you get them out, they're 100% cool. All right. So that is basically the house tour. Hopefully you enjoyed it. For those of you who celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. And of course, a Happy New Year and all that, blah, blah, blah. And definitely look out for a lot of videos and big things coming in 2021, especially once we get out of 2020. What a crap year, right? Yeah. Anyhow, I'll see everybody soon. Goodbye.